Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Joe Your Cooking Guide. Today I got a really cool episode. I'm pretty excited about it. I got my great friend and amazing chef Fernando joining me today to put together one of his authentic recipes. So chef, what are we putting together today?
Well, thank you for having me here today, brother. We're gonna have shrimp ceviche. Simple. There is a lot of ceviches come from Peru, the original recipe, but we're gonna do tostadas Mexican, very Mexican, big time. And we're gonna have the special one. It's gonna be this one, the lime and chili salsa, which is gonna finish up our tostada ceviche.
Awesome, yeah, it's gonna be some good stuff. I'm pretty excited. If you enjoy this recipe, please be sure to like and subscribe and leave any comments and any questions that you may have or just any future videos that you'd like to see. So thanks for joining us today and stick around and let's have some fun.
Let's go.
All right, so now we're going to start working on some of the accompaniments for our shrimp ceviche tostadas. So chef, what are we going to do next? We're going to work on our jalapeno-lime salsa, correct?
Big time, yes. We're gonna, this is simple, but it's real good. I didn't put any jalapenos. We're not gonna put any jalapenos on our ceviche because this is our complement on those tortadas.
Fantastic.
We're gonna show you how to do it right now. Very simple, simple, simple. Jalapenos, I'm sorry.
Oops, one fell.
Yeah.
This is about 4 jalapenos.
4 jalapenos, yes, and 4 limes.
The juice of 4 limes. So
Yeah.
basically 1 jalapeno,
1 per
lime.
That's all.
That seems to be your ratio, right?
It is. It works
right.
out. We're gonna olive oil. I love the olive oil. It's not typical like we talk, but I liked it. It gives the body to your sauce and it gives you a lot of flavor too.
Great. So that was about 3 tablespoons.
About it. As much as if you like more, don't worry. Just add more. Season. Yes.
A little bit of salt.
Little bit of salt. It'll be it. We're done.
Lid it up.
Yes.
And now we blend.
It's gotta be kind of chunky though.
All right.
You don't want to beat it all the way. And that's
Take
it.
that,
And that's
we're just
it.
going to pour that in
Yup.
to a little bowl. And you can
yes.
see there's still chunks.
Yeah, a
of
little bit chunks of jalapenos.
That is going to be
But
fantastic.
that's what you're looking for.
Brother,
Yeah.
that looks good.
That's real good, bro.
Awesome.
So,
So we're going to kind of move this out of the way. And then the final accompaniment is that just some, it looks like you just took some avocado and smashed
this
it
is
with-
just 1 avocado, brother. Just 1 avocado right here. Fork it real good. Smash it as much as you can.
Okay.
Season.
Just a little bit
Salt.
of salt.
Olive oil also. And it'll be it. I'm sorry. It'll be it. That's it. That's all you need.
Fantastic.
That's gonna be what you're gonna need for your tostadas.
You know what I love about your recipe?
Those things, brother.
It's just really simple.
It is
there's
simple.
There's a few ingredients in the salsa, a few in the coulis or the avocado puree.
That's all you need.
And it's easy.
We have to be authentic. We have to be simple as nature, honestly.
Awesome. So that's
it.
great. Let's get to the next piece of our recipe.
Yep. Let's put together the
ceviche.
ceviche,
Yeah, let's do it.
and we're done.
All right, so we're going to start with the ceviche. So chef, kind of walk us through what you're going to do. I see you got some whole shrimp that have been peeled and deveined. So what's next? What's next in your recipe?
Well, very simple. We're gonna use this. To me, I like to use this machine,
Food processor.
because you can always do it whole, no problem.
Okay,
But
great.
to my recipe, like it says, we always can do it like this to make sure. How do you say it?
Make sure it's broken
Make
down.
sure it's
maybe
broken
it cooks a little
down.
quicker.
Salt.
Cooks a little quicker, yeah.
Yep.
There we go.
Lemon. That's all you need. Very simple, honestly.
We're going to use some limes today.
Limes.
Right?
Big
Yeah,
time.
limes,
You got
lemons,
that
all
right.
the same.
Which is the best, honestly.
And this is about 4.
You're gonna do
4 limes.
4 limes.
That you,
So
that
you're
you
gonna do
just
half of that. You just choose it. And you're just gonna use the pulse, which is slow. You don't want it to, you're just gonna chunk it real good. I think we got that. Right there.
There you go.
Yep.
That's looking good there.
Look at this. Just like that. We put it back in the bowl. Yes.
Okay, so you have the shrimp that you pureed, and it's still pretty. I mean, it's still pretty coarse, but it's broken down into some smaller pieces.
Oh, yep.
And I'm assuming why do you break it down in the food processor as opposed to just leaving it whole?
It's gonna cook quicker, a little bit quicker.
Okay.
And you're gonna make sure that it's already cooked.
Perfect.
They're all cooked. That's why I like it like that. So you add the rest of the juice.
So you add the other two limes in there.
The other 2 limes right there. Make sure, look, all is covered with the juice, right? Of course, you already season, a little bit more seasoning.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna cover it.
Cover it up with some plastic wrap.
It's gonna take at least 2 hours, let's say, honestly. This much is gonna take 2 hours.
So this is gonna sit inside the fridge for about 2 hours?
Put them in a cooler for 2 hours, and that's it.
Awesome. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to move into the final few steps of the assembly and just finishing up our shrimp ceviche. So Chef, what are we going to put in here next?
Well, what we did, we cooked our shrimp with the lemon juice out of the cooler. I took it out, strained it out.
2 hours?
After 2 hours, yes. After 2 hours, it came out like this. It's already cooked. Our shrimp are cooked out of the lime juice, I'm sorry. Strain it out. I use my hands to squeeze all the excess of the lime juice. Make sure it's nice and dry. Yes?
It looks nice. And you can see how the colors kind of changed.
It changed because that means it's cooked already.
Right, so all that acid in the lime juice just exuded all of the moisture out of the shrimp. And you can see it's got a little bit of red hue to it. It's a little bit more white, not as translucent. And that's when you know that it's ready.
Yes, sir. So
what do we got next?
Next, so we're gonna build it up, our ceviche. We got 1 tomato, of course cilantro, as much as you like, you know. 1 carrot, medium red onion, salt of course, and cucumbers. That's gonna give you the freshness of this dish, yes? We're gonna start out, put them on, let's say 2 spoons of each. 1, 2, which is gonna make it perfect. There we go. There is a 2 right there. 2 on here.
And you can add more if you want. You can take them out. It's really this is how you would put it together.
Yeah.
But if you like onion, add more onion.
Big time. 1, 2.
So you can see out of the amount that we had prepped, we may not use all of it.
But if you think you have more gas, put them all.
Put it
all
in.
That? Yep. Yes, put them all. See? Cilantro, this is the best. So good, so fresh. We're gonna use the salt, of course. And if you see, then I didn't use any jalapenos, any hot stuff, because we got this right there, which is gonna make it happen right there. Olive oil, yes? This is gonna be the best thing right here. Yes, hold it.
Damn, that looks
Look at this.
Awesome.
Look, wow, this is great, bro.
Yeah, that looks really good.
This is great.
I love the simplicity of it, the freshness.
All this, and this is what I'm called my ceviche, bro, because there is 250 ceviches out there, but this is my ceviche, bro.
That looks amazing, man. That looks real. I can't wait to
honestly
some of this.
See?
Awesome.
Okay.
You got that?
We're gonna build our. Let's assemble. Let's do this real quick. Very simple.
And what we have here is just some tostada. These are just some crispy corn tortillas, fried very lightly until they're crispy. All right, so how are we going to start this? We're going to start with a little bit of the avocado puree.
We're going to build it with avocado. This is just avocado, like we talk about. Avocado, salt and pepper, olive oil. I mean, not pepper, but just olive oil and salt. Just rub it. Very easy. Done. You put your ceviche. Wow, look at this. Look at this, Bo. Look at this.
That looks so good. That looks so good.
No. You got to be kidding. Look at this. Huh? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. See?
Do you want me to put some of that sauce?
And then you put your sauce right over. You drizzle with the salsa. Look at these, bro.
How much salsa do you want?
As much as you like, bro. But you start it out slowly, yeah? Go slowly, like that.
That looks really
And
good.
then you see, look at this.
Awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Hey.
Ceviche, tostadas.
Chef,
You can do it with-
That looks amazing, man.
You can do it with chips. You can even chips right here. But the sauce, that sauce, bro,
Yeah.
that's gonna kill it. I
Hey, Chef,
swear, bro.
This looks awesome. I appreciate you joining me today and sharing your recipe.
Thank you for having me, bro.
Yeah, man, this was good
Thank you,
stuff. Hey, and thanks for joining us tonight. If you enjoy Chef Fernando's recipe, please share some of your feedback in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us tonight. Chef, thanks again, man.
Thank you, bro.
Awesome.
You
And
know.
we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Big time.
Sean, these look
See
awesome.
what's up. Look.
do it.
This is how you eat it, bro. Wow.
Damn. You gotta try
I told
this
you,
recipe
bro.
out. It is absolutely
I told you,
amazing.
brother.
I love it with that tanginess from the lime.
Wow.
Get a little bit of spiciness from that jalapeno and lime salsa. This is awesome, man. Great job.